tear out, cuts that aren't quite square, parts that are just slightly off, this is one of the simplest ways to fix all that. This is my adjustable zero-clearance table saw sled, and it lets me dial in perfectly clean, accurate cuts every time.
Hi, I'm Sean, and I've been woodworking for over 20 years, and I'm also a mechanical engineer.
Today we're looking at an adjustable zero-clearance table saw sled which improves cut quality, accuracy, and repeatability. A zero-clearance sled supports the wood fibers along the cut line. It also allows me to dial in perfectly square cuts, and because this one is adjustable, you can keep it performing at a high level over time with both straight and mitered cuts. The kerf is right up against the blade, which eliminates tear out along the cut. And that kerf is adjustable. As this piece wears out, I can replace it to create a fresh zero-clearance surface on the back edge of the cut. This is where this sled really becomes a precision tool. The fence pivots on the right side and has an adjustment screw on the left, which makes it very easy to adjust down to the thousandths of an inch. Using the 5-cut method, my two dimensions are 13.21 millimeters and 13.31 millimeters. And according to the Jonathan Katz Moses 5-cut calculator, I'm off by 0.07 millimeters, which I think is pretty good. With adjustable metal miter bars, the sled rides consistently without play, and that keeps your cuts very straight. The integrated teat track allows me to clamp small or oddly shaped parts, which keeps my hands safely away from the blade. Don't get lazy. Switch out your blade for a cross-cut blade. Keep the corner against the fence clean. Even small debris can affect accuracy. Wax the bottom of the sled for smooth movement. And check your fence for square regularly. That's the heart of the sled. An adjustable zero-clearance sled gives you cleaner cuts, better accuracy, and repeatability. And with the pivoting fence, you can dial in perfect squareness quickly without rebuilding your sled. I'll leave links below to some sled components that you can pick up on Amazon. These are affiliate links and I may earn a small commission, which helps support this channel and is much appreciated. And if you want to see the full build of this sled, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so I can let you know when that video goes live. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments, do you use a sled like this or do you prefer a different setup on your table saw?